you doing here?
The kids, I was worried.
Gonna wake them up, we gotta...
I don't want to know who I am anymore.
Shh.
I don't care. I don't want to know.
Come on, Will.
Everything I found out I want to forget.
It's okay.
I don't care who I am or what I did.
It's okay.
If we have this money, we can hide. Could we do that? Is there any chance you could do that?
Morning.
Christ, you're up early. Bless you for making coffee. One night, you weren't kidding.
For a change. He's not there either.
Have we looked by the car?
He's not anywhere.
All right, I'll get dressed.
Who?
Bloody dog's gone missing.
Does that happen a lot?
Not that much. Mrs. Breakfast, not a chance. There's always something, right?
Get in the basement.
What?
Get everyone in the basement right now.
What the hell are you talking about?
We're in danger. Your family's in danger. I don't have time to explain.
Wait a minute, what the?
Eamon, you should go.
What the hell have you done?
It's not her, it's me. You need to get out of sight and in the basement as quick as you can.
Daddy.
I'm sorry. Let's go.
The phone is dead.
Yeah.
Jason, who's out there? Who is it? Normal. Scheiße! Scheiße! What are you doing? We should never have come here. These children, if...
That's not gonna happen.